na woigo ekogokia riso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntubwate timu ya Tembo abo bagokora imirimo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na woigo cyo tebereria kindi gensi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na woigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na woigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na woigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na woigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Gray, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na woigo na Green ubutambe gwe mabwate yiga niko bokorengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi woigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya amabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo guchane warrant na woigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo iyo irangene duka ya Safaricom woigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera ase namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwancho mo ligerali bwerere byanande echi nechinsa inye chia bono botuko litukaliga alia ijuma chitariki 11 cy'omutienyi okane omwaka wa 2025 eke nekionga chinsa inye asenjere bwekiranu cheni gongoro kwa runyo toto nyengiri otoko bwaterana kwa nsemo imenyerio nigakorokwa Wilson Makoli na ekionga chinsa inye nigotoko chakurwase ebunge nyalibali masaba ase omujumbe webunge yo omutke Dr. Daniel Owoka Manduku anyaka bagakora egeikaro no muiga omunene bwa borokia asaborokia banyaka bakwegwa ebyegwa aho kobwatakana amo no gokoria abuya amatemu ase chitsukuru aho emwaka oeta nabo kogenda kore mirime miyabu na aborokia korwa ase bunge yo nabo igo ime ye bunge yo chingagie checho ningaborokia bairali bagalia bene kolera obone bwabo nakogania amagania abo koligererwa ni sector aho ime ye serikali moyego yo nigora wa gosinigo kiranwa amono muwasiri wechitemi mosike chuli asimigosyo gamba igati yabagani banda abange ase muna gosemuna gotumanya umulikito Gabriel Nyakunde
Ritkoria rero nigo abarokia kurwa chiskuru aonene mono kurwa sebunge yega inyari bari masaba batwara mujega bogo chengera amachibu ayo barigetie umwaka weta ase amatemo amanene ase chiskuru aonene mono kurwa serogongoro igarwa rigetie amachibu amaya go omuyega oyu oragwa no muwaziri wechisemi bwense ya Kenya Omuske Julius Ogamba amo no mubunge unyari bari masaba Omuske Dr. Daniel Mandoko ase abateneneri babarokia baganiriye serikali ya Kenya kulika abalimu banne iliyo kwene kiango korabale egasi ase obororo.
Mheshimiwa Waziri, teachers who trained as early as 2010, they are still languishing at home, not yet employed. In Gusii, and I think that problem is majorly in Gusii. We have teachers crying 2011, 2012, 2013, who graduated those years, but they have never seen a letter of employment. Kindly Waziri, Ambu, Ireni, Enaigogeka, Okonya bantu baito. Ntuma etama ruwe na ruwe kujusi lakini atoya ikereti na hero renji hoko ya ikero Okonya bana baito. Waziri, the principals are crying about capitation. That one is your docket, and I saw you noting it. I don't want to repeat it. Where teachers are being recruited in their sub-counties of birth. Yes, these are among the highest number of trained teachers. When we are reduced to our sub-counties, we are being disadvantaged. Let every Kenyan have a chance to be employed anywhere in the country as part of enhancing national cohesion.
Members, most of our teachers who participated in invigilation and the supervision of the examinations did not receive their monies. And we don't know the reason. Because of the negligence of some offices, they did not receive their monies, and those who received, they received very few, more than a half of what they're supposed, less than a half of what they're supposed to receive. We want to know all the people who manage examinations are paid, except the deputy center managers. I know we have deputies in our institutions who take also part in those examinations in terms of distribution and also taking care of those learners. In future, as the coming examinations come, please let us factor them because they are part and parcel of.
Asebagi kelia egekole kyukyabete asesemo nakoro ase abarokiwa ba Butere Girls banyalite gusaganwa n'abanyanyimbo.
I don't know what to say, but it is against the spirit of CBC. When we talk about CBC, we talk about talent, competency-based curriculum. And now the children who are actually bringing out their competency on the stage and they were bad. We are going against CBC unless you handle that issue consciously. You are going to demoralize the teachers. Teachers have taken their time. They have come out with a wonderful play. Teachers are never political. We support the government of the day as we take what we are given. So the play where it came from is none of our business. We took it and here we are. So it is you to know how we saw at Nakuru yesterday. It is an embarrassment to our country. Because playwriters, those people who write set books that we use in schools are not teachers. But no one has ever complained that we are using set books written by non-teachers in our schools. And if you read those set books, they talk about the situations in the current government and in many other governments, because the literature's work is to always challenge the systems and also to expose the wrongdoings in the systems. We expect that the government kindly handles that matter very seriously. It was wrong to see a contingent of police officers lobbing tear gas at 30 girls who are participating in a legal exercise of showcasing their talent. It was wrong. We need it addressed firmly because we want to continue nurturing talents, not intimidating our learners when they are exposing their talents.
Crying in terms of their two medical skills. We have two medical skills. I don't know whether teachers get sick more than other people. They are given two medical skills. we have Minet, and we have SHA. We want to have one comprehensive medical scheme for the teachers. And this one comprehensive medical scheme does not select for us the hospitals. We can visit any hospitals in the Republic so that we can get our medication right. That is what our teachers are requesting for.
Ase aborokia balia ehira yugutia gokora umukia na kwenekia aborokiwa ngonyora bale ekelia baganetie iliogweta amatemo abo. Kingo reporteria egataseni bwanchete kiana gikumi kegetembe korwa sebunge yega yenyari bari masaba county Kisii ncheguruko Nyakundi Gabriela.
Chingagiye chyo omo wasire migosyo gamba uyukerana ase umayegoyo ni ganyara kaba gagokwanira igoro yari anyate kwa kwaniki wa chinsemo cha Nakuru kubatakana amo ne sukuru gosabarukwa abe sukuru y'abanyaruka ya Butere Girls batangana kwa bagokirania egostori yabo yo kwigia kubatakana amo no kwemurungania nali bagotebekana baeterete aya mabo gotangwa koyo kumwegeri yabo uyuro mo senata mukuru bwe county ya Kakamega umusike Kiriovas Marara kolengana no mwasiri migoso gamba niganyaga bagatega muna nigo aborokia babwante kwegwali bagali tangani ase okorokia aborokigwa amaegerio goso kwegeria aborokigwa amangana yechikosoli chyo kwegia nabo igo onyaraka bagakuburia abantu abanene kobwetse kumono kobwa mono abana siasa kwetanga korwa goswanania abana be skuru ase siasa chiabo roboti oruo nigo rwalgani ngono mulikito Paul Cup Okara
gago kwana amona bali kiamangana aso omoyego yuboigo mwaziri ogamba nigaganiria abana beche sukuru gotabwataniwamo na gesiasa anene ase chigosoli chyo kwegia nigaganiria abalimu kwegwali bagali litangani aso kubohorokereria abana igoro yechigosoli chiga.
The content of the play was altered along the way. That's how at the regional level it was not allowed to proceed. But when they went to court, the court allowed them to present the original, not the altered. Please read the court order. There is a paragraph there. It says the students are allowed to present their original at the nationals.
Ogamba boigo nigo alire iranga nachikunyara kobaga kwenekia obwasyo ku ase sekta ya Chisemi asate birebuna nigo abalimu babonete kwegwali bagali litangani na koroiseligwa libagali giya ase ogukina Chisemi meyense ase boigo haigerere gasagukyo mu gusinga tikeli kwebeli matemu na boigo kuganya okubwatanigwa kwa ababwatani bonse ase Chisemi eli gukinia sekta ya Chisemi.
Abalimu tuganjirana nga ase serikali yeye ntutagete balimu ntutagete principals bagende street etutagete baberarari ekiagara na bali most important kulinda abaito abana baitekera kirasi tubwate challenge ya capitation because chibes chiri chigo cherero twagambira na treasury na nenda ndata kugamba na borobo nonye this Wednesday I had a meeting with them kwa boli mwari gwanja capitation negende school before tarehe 29 taraika one day they are working on it.
Waigo ogamba nigalire iranga amaganionsi abalimu bagendere ko babakobenga anene ewizara ya Chisemi nachikunyara ko baga ko yali bagali litangani unenchire yemo yokogora sekta ya Chisemi imeyense jiga ya Kenya.
It is a three-legged stool. Education is a three-legged stool. Tubwata balimu, tubwata abana, tubwata na parents asibona serikali koliteki irime. So together tutakola tiamo to improve the results of the education that we are supposed to do in Kenya. So we are doing everything possible, and believe me, we will spend sleepless nights to align the problems in our sector. It is not normal that you have somebody who graduated in 2010 not getting employed. Ekera epolisirenga umowasa ku employ koliboliwa kwetma mapema. So there is a problem of implementation, and we are going to work with TSC to clean that section. I promise you we are going to have that cleaned.
Gingo reporteri gataseni kya ubwanjete kya gatembe kurogaiga ase skuru ya beseka ya Ichuni inje nigongoro kwa Paul Cup Okara
na ekiombe kia abajumbe abo bale abasubati ke wopa bakorewa no mumererwe county ya Kisii musubati donya lori haburi nigoli tukulia rabanya kwa bagotalira enyagitali ya mugena yenya takabage kubwatanirwa no botutu kanwa matuka makaitire magigayo musibate yomo ore kobina kosirera ase enyagitari eyo bakwana ase enyagitari eyo nigo banyaga bakwerera buna ebirengo b'inyagitari eyo nigo bire bimono na nigegana irigo siekwa goika ebirengo byaye bimukereri gwigoro na goikira ebirengo biri biganeiri.
Sasa leo tumeangalia Imagena dispensary haina kitu, hakuna kitu kabisa. Hata ukisikia mgonjwa anakuja kusaidika hapa unashangaa. Hata kuna wagonjwa walifika huko mapema, kitu ilikuwa around saa 2, hakukuwa na mtu alikuwa amefika. Na unajua ugonjwa ikwambii utakuwa mgonjwa wakati daktari wanaingia hospitali, ugonjwa inakuja anytime. So kuna shida mingi from kupata hizi vifaa vya kutumika, na pia yani unafika hospitali unaambiwa hatuna maji, kama mvua ijanyesha tunaenda tunachota na mtungi maji. Kama sasa hakuna hizi vitu zingine, sijui tunaweza sema namna gani. Hiyo ndio shida kubwa imepata wagonjwa wetu.
Hakuna hata electricity, hakuna maji, there is nothing hapo. Kwa hivyo tumekuja hapa na tumejionea, na vile wenzangu wameongea vile ambavyo tunataka serikali kuu na Ministry of Health wafanye bidii very soon wakuje hapa, kwa sababu hapa watu ambao wako hapa ni Wakenya, na Wakenya mahali popote wako wanataka hata wao kupata services ambazo wanahitaji.
Tumepata maajabu hapa. Hii hata sio hospitali, hii ni cattle shed. Hata ng'ombe hazitakikani kukaa mahali kama hapa. Hii sisi tunaambia Ministry of Health, they swing up very fast to come and close this dispensary immediately, because it is a nuisance, it is something, even there is nothing to show. Hata pale kitanda yenye huyo mama alikuwa amewekwa azae ni kitu imevunjika. Hatujui hata alikuwa amewekwa chini ama amewekwa wapi. Kwa hivyo sisi kama akina mama wa Kenya, tukiwakilisha Kiwopa na bunge kuu la Kenya, tunasema kwamba Ministry of Health ikuje ifunge hapa, na ikishafunga hapa watafute solution. This thing needs to be renovated, walete madawa hapa. Watu wa Ogembo ama watu wa eneo hii wako na haki wapate medicine vizuri, watu wa Magena.
Na mwancho mo ligereri tukulia lero nigo ababwatani amabikia makeyudie banyara ko bagwesokia na mono me county ya Kisii asbanya ko bakwebwatani ase obochori bobarai bekia mekyo ime gotsinse cha mashinani ase ebunge tuchaje North eywe kurawa no mugachi bwekia mekyo omoske chavet inyakundi oyure boigo mujumbe bunge ya North ya tuchaje North nigo obochori bwakoreka senjira yobwana bwasyo kuna bali banyaga bakoira ebiroge ebyo nibanyaga bakorira bunandigo barachikoena kibuna bale emiremeri wenrete eligukinia obokoreri bwekia mekyo ime ya Gusii na gutumanya omurikito Daniel Ontiri
magega ya mariganio bosio bobochori wekiama kia United Democratic Alliance UDA wikirana na koera bo litukuligoro abamenya sichinsemo au kurwase county ya Kisii nigorero benyorera libaga lyogochora barai bokugania kwabo inse yekia mekyo asegati yechibunge chiria cheikirania obochori obwo egati abo neria yenyeri bari chache ebunge ya Kitutu Chache North egati yechinde chinyinge na kurwa asensemeyo ya Kitutu Chache North mubaro monene nigo enekigwa asegati yecheskuru asobochori obwo bware gukoreka egati abo aseskuru yoboroso ya Tambacha ime ye ward ya Kegogi Entanda imeye ward ya Mwenyero eskuru yoboroso ya Marani ase ward ya Marani ward ya Sensieta tigiri magane chinga kicho aba kichikura abaorokia ogosemeri kwa basabarai abo barenge gochoro aboigo bagokerenchira umuruberi yokoreka ensi yoburai bwaye mubunge wenseme yumusikija Faith Nyakundi.
Nilifika hapa asubuhi, nimepiga kura inaendelea salama, hatujaona ubaya wowote.
Kumshukuru our president Honorable His Excellency William Samoei Ruto kwa kutupatia nafasi hii tuweze kuchagua viongozi wetu katika grassroots level. Tumeweza kuchagua viongozi mbalimbali katika farmers, katika level ya business MSMEs, katika level ya PWD. We want to thank the president that this is an opportunity whereby all those members of the society have been able to be represented to the grassroots level. Kwa nafasi hiyo watu wetu wameweza kuchagua viongozi wao, walifika mapema sana. The exercise has been free and fair, and we want to thank the president.
Tunashukuru wale wote wenye wamejitokeza. Hii exercise ilikuwa sawa na tunawashukuru, waendelee na tutashirikiana kama chama tawala ya UDA.
Asense mwende gati ya barai abo bachorwa chingaki basanga na balikia mangana. Baine kebuna mbachokora emiremo yabo wanchereria konde wensi gutayo. Nambache koira chingaki chabo chinyinge haso koirukia ebandere yikiamekyo.
Na nashukuru sana wananchi ambao wamejitokeza, ambao wamenipigia kura, na ninataka kuwaomba ya kwamba tutashirikiana kabisa katika kuendeleza hii nchi. Najua UDA inaanza na huku chini grassroots.
Tumekuwa na courage kama sisi wana youth, tumeweza kujisukuma na tunasema kama tumeweza kuwania kutoka hapa chini, tunaomba waweze kutusupport, tukikaribia kufika huko juu waweze kutuongoza.
Kitu tumepakia hapa sasa ni kufanyia wananchi maendeleo vile serikali ya UDA na tuaidi na vile sisi tunataka, kwa sababu UDA ndio chama peke yake, chama tawara, chama si ya upinzani.
Ababui nigo benyorera libaga ase birogo bitana bibire ebyo byarenge kurwanirerwa na koegwa chi certificate cha babwabu no gosemeria okonge kwa babui asobokoreri ngurubaterega seni kya tembe kurega se county ya Kisii retrane nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Na umwanjwa umurigereri abasae niko bagante kuboligwa kwebwatia ebibande nabo iko bachikonyara kwa bakweli kyabuna bakichikura usyo bochori bonne bo mwaka bwechirwe na 2025 nigago chama tukamake magega ya ebunge ya senate ogutwara ebikaro na gukwanira igoro yobotutukano baganda kwanikwa ime ye county ya Nyamira ase abasae nababwatani kogose abamenyi ba kubwa mune county ya Nyamira baboliwe kunyara kaba abagokora omokia gose bakweroberia boronge atchinjera chege siasa nagutumonye muri gito fatigadi gisemba
maega ye senate aboigoro kogenderera gukwanira obotutukanu obobogenderete Nyamira kati yaba MCA ase babwate chibunge ibere abakarani babere chimesi ibere engana abaseneta abaiga barwete ekerengererio yokoria chinjira iriogotenenia obobagi bwechibesa korwase serikali enene gocha county ya Nyamira kokoba tibamanyiti buya imbunge ki ebwenerete kubanga amagenderero Nyamira nigorero umwana siasa korwase county ya Nyamira oyoboigo obwatobote ase kirugo kyo seneta bwa Nyamira omoske Chirema ya Migosi akwanira obotutukanu oboiga pore imeye county ya Nyamira
Ataranga asingenje kaunti ya Mandoroma chorete gavana na bali basingo koiwanana bono na besentiri goto mugote kaunti ya Nyamira nechi basi goto mugote wazana bakora balitoko kusigari baya bakora balitoko kusigari goli torenjera kekero mugo kutoka rangali muante masoke mwezi turusha galigari mwaro je nyerumba rusi monto ekarasi nyoka kolegas Ligichi na rusi karabate batari wa kolegas ingi ndutera kwamere na nyalibanya tari wa kolegas ingi ndutera kwamera nere tako rueto limonto ndo batemo batari wa kolegas
omoske Chirema ya Migosi boigo na kwanira obokurumi asekemeri yechae
Njengo kolegas ne serikali ni maite na tali de Meru na etire Kenya ngima ekero wote cha Meru ebako wo bonus ya 60 shillings to 70 shillings ile ngama bawa ngomura bonus ngomura Echari ya Meru ya seki angazi niwenda kama chiga sechinyi kwa chitoga abakora mbali mwakile chukura bale gali bakoli bese chino kitari oitaga nali geteri uho kya CCS ngonya kwa temature ekeromora yuho chile gochaga mochene bidere limino byonzi biturusi abakora bali gali turi abandawa yatobege county nenda abantu bagenderere ndo bategera sikoroka women enterprise fund che women led bese jijiri kwa bazipara nchini kubeka stima ekineji beza kyabangina batawe gukichama babara meri wara kimba ndonkonje na mureba mwana ojira moko wanjira nsoega ali usulimisi abakora abo sibiru tubino bikewega
Kukwana ekero kyomoyega bwa matanga yoko mwenia umugaka Isaac Onguti rabera ase kenyero kya Enchoro ime ye wodi ya Busamaro ebunge ya West Mugirange county ya Nyamira nigo abaiburi basegetirwe buna ingakie yiga yerusa nerebuya kubarenda abana babo buya eryo baitange korwase kisagu chimbe ekyo kirabaisa kubasariria amagima abo
abana baitu bakonda kindu chaiga no chinya sole chiri kindu chaiga no chikade bawaka bana mba weekend no ne chiumu wakibaetu abayigoli totena torra abana baitu tolenga ngokora bale emirememia elibagani yokora abana baitu mbawa so achiruru chimbe egere bara abasosaleka usora abasoko otwale michando bawe diskuro nyolenga ibalibia
ensemo yende nigo baria batarabwata ibibande basemiwe babwate erio berike buna abakichikura bosio wabochori obonene bore bosio nario baranyoreri bagario kubachora abarai baria baganetie.
Serikali yatangaza ibibande bibiko bwatwa upya ndia ruhusiwa kuruhusiwa 300 bakaria bakabosa iga abana baitu babwate ibande gaito gore serikali yariye karona abana baitu babwate besa barachi babwate ibande bono nakurigire tumutu akara mo chochora barai tema mubwate ibibande asobonge ibibande ebyo nabyengaye yemo eratokone egera tunyore ibibande ebinge mubwate chikuro chinyinge mochora barai bali mubwate kike mutageti bali mubwate chindi certificate ki school wakona kile kubwate ibande ebyo bali mwakire kanisa mwa batisi obwate baptism card ngokonye asoko bwate kibanda ekangoro kile kitali kichoko igoro na kero kende bali mwana already pass certificate sinasaidia asingi choko bwate ibande.
Ingo reporter Getembe kurwase county ya Nyamira Njefatigadi Yesemba.
Na mwanjo muligeri gukorera kubwatekana amono komendekana kwebina ebikebike ebibigendete gosombwa na guchirana ase bigambiro nigo ekiombe ekamukimanyete na Mediation Training Institute in Africa kyanyata kabage kokora amaigerio aiga somo chibosongo na kwegaria egati yabantu abo baguchikoba gosaba gukonya sokuganyana ebine ebikebike nyuma bitaraikirana abosio bwibigambiro gukwana chingagie cyo mutenelwe kiombe ki Professor James Mangerere nigasegeta umurobuli yuko igendera gosirwa eligo keania ebina ase ebigambiro nabayikoreta omorembe asabantu bonse
tuwajira omwali bwe training twala tabosongo waiga twago train professional mediators abade nangena sinde among the students ba graduate there in professional mediation wajira ese program era an international program. The program is accredited by the International Mediation Institute, it's accredited by Singapore International Mediation Institute and the MTI Africa. Abagaya n'abantu b'amana sana se community asoko suluhisha bisoso karea tokai. Ebe ya megondo enyi familia akerase. Ya ikire bono mwari rero tuamendire namba ya meditas tobwate osongo na kisi na Nyamira bara assistie abantu kusolve ibina iko gwire kinaki aye court na nabatebeti na ende itanga nigenda se bogaya ngenda mediation ibine binge bikora mediation nani no gere court kikoti amatukana na jiko to mabank to mediation ikama timatenga mediation works iko ngo ni kare abantu bose twaminto kusina Nyamira ekero tobwate matadisa ndosi mujando de bwansi udiomana itangani utara lengera lingandi to kwende court kwanza tuliye kimedita sijitwa training
to training ya mediation normally no to gaiga na neto wakambia mono because the resource kyagete ngaswana nje training yiga most cases communities eto bwate bine binge nabone bine bire kisi locals or high courts ebina bire almost twate almost 2.something million and maybe because registered because filed daily they are not less than 1,800.
So to train as mediators, I go the community and outside, it shall be very useful. As I want to go to the kanisa, the school, knowledge, Magondo,
na encourage abaguzi bon space mu abetana abantu bara surrounded kwanza tuteme mediation tutaraga ndali itongo inde lito tutaraga ndere komenya no molembe kia tato atio molembe o tuara marwaire.
Mwanjo mwaligererio noro mwerio gwikionga litukeliga lia Ijumaa chinsa inye kokwere ngambo ya mona senga kwa baire amo na intwe kuroli tukulia chagete na ndoga ntakoba amo na intwe goitera segeta seni kia Getembe TV kionga kia mamgusi nche ni gongoro kwa Aroni Ototo Nyangiri kuransa mimi nyari ni gakoro kwa Wisoni Makoli na boy kuransa ya transmission ni gakoro kwa Fira Karili twara obotkomya.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka echolide iri kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boyiko chire chechi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekariguri iriya bantabatinu bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wekabunuragani gwochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Uhuru nabwate.